You know what? You got white stuff around your mouth, baby. Scoop that way. Right there.
What's the way, YouTube? It's the boy Tarek and I'm back with another video. Yeah. Today we're doing a rate video. We're gonna have the females rate the guys from most attractive to least attractive, and we're gonna have the guys do the same thing. You feel me? Let's get straight to the video. Alright, so we gonna have the guys. This side gonna be the most attractive over here. This side gonna be the least attractive. You feel me? But first, what we're gonna do? We're gonna have the guys we're gonna decide who's the most attractive to the least attractive. So we're gonna arrange ourselves before the females. Let's get through. So where y'all want to be? All right, I'm going to be the head. I'm going to go to the least, you feel me? You think he's the most attractive? Yeah, y'all don't believe in yourself? No confidence?
I don't really judge dudes.
No confidence?
No comments. Leave that to the women.
No confidence?
Leave that to the women.
Damn, all right, bet. Say no more. I'm most attractive. All right, first female. Who's going to go first?
My IG is Danielle with 4 A's, N-Y-E-L.
Hold the mic. Oh.
All right, he the best.
Okay.
He going out here, sir. I'm sorry. Oh. You is nice looking at you, brown. I don't talk to him.
That's it?
Yeah. Yeah,
All right, next girl.
where's the line begin?
Go ahead.
I'm automatically assume this is 0.
Damn.
I'm a heights girl, but I can't doubt a short man. Can never doubt a short king. We're not looking over here.
Damn.
No.
Right here?
Right there. You're gonna put him. You know what? You got white stuff around your mouth, baby. Scoop that way. Right there.
Dang, you strong.
That's it?
Yeah, that's it. Gia the pony. Fuck all the bullshit.
What's up, y'all? It's Nisi. Follow me on Instagram at BXRBIENISE, Barbara Nisi, and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Okay, let me see. I just like reorganize.
Yeah, from most to least attractive.
This all I got? I'm just playing. Don't look back. No, look at me. Take your hood. Let me see. Oh, never mind. Shut up. Come, switch. Switch, man. Switch. He fine as hell. But, this all we got. This you just gonna give us this? I just want to say that, like, you could have gave us more than. Oh, I ain't say y'all ugly, but okay, this it. He fine as hell. Though. I love a light skin. All right, what's up, y'all? What's up? It's Ronnie Star, aka your favorite superstar. Let's get into it. Period. What's funny, bitch? What's funny? You, boy. Oh, okay. Yeah. Cut it out. No, I'm just playing. I don't know. I ain't even going. Can you take your glasses off for me? Oh, okay. Okay. Switch. Nah, I lied. You come right here in a second. You second. You come. Yeah, you right there. You third. They be playing with you. You know what I'm saying? Like the fit is giving what it's supposed to give. I ain't gonna lie. Like the fashion is there. It's the drip. The fashion is there.
She trying to make a change? Man, with the eye like that.
What y'all left for? Yeah.
That's it.
Yup.
Go stick
Yep.
All right, next up.
What's up, y'all? It's Christy Moore. Make sure y'all subscribe to my channel. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram. Y'all know.
See this.
Let's see this. Okay. I just
Go crazy.
go stupid. All right, let me see. You can stay where you at. Why is it ridiculous? Because he's still up there? You feel like you should be number one? Why do you feel like you should be number one?
I just smoke a lot of cap.
A lot of cap? It's crazy, ain't it? All right. I'm gonna switch y'all. I'm gonna put you. Step right here real quick.
I'm not supposed to be on this side. I'm supposed to be on this side.
I know, but I'm finna put you somewhere. Give me 2 seconds. I'm gonna put you right here.
You can't switch too many people.
Yep. But listen, I'm still trying to figure out what I want to do. I'm indecisive. It's a Libra thing. Let it be. No, I'm not putting you up there. I'm putting you right there.
Boy, the cap was gonna piss me off, man. You made him think he was so crazy.
Oh my God. Yeah, I gotta let it be. All right.
You can't move that many people.
I'm gonna put you right here. Be quiet. Do you have to have commentary? You know what? I'm gonna move your ass. That's what I'm about to do. I'm just. No, yeah, you just come back. You come back over here. You switch. You go back. I think. No, you get in front of Casey. All right, that's cool. I'm gonna leave it like that.
Who's next?
Who next?
Drunk off Nay. Follow me, don't. It don't matter. I don't want to hold this. This is too much to hold. It's hot in this hole. I'm gonna leave you. Wait. Which side is which?
This is the most attractive to the least attractive.
Dang, friend, they did you like that? I mean, you is an ugly nigga. Okay.
I'll talk to you.
That you do, but it's okay. It's okay. You still look handsome today. You're stepping too far.
Bro, I swear.
I'm done.
Alright, all the girls went? Alright, see y'all turn now. So now we're gonna have the guys rate the girls, you feel me?
What's the word? It's your boy Big YTIJ. Why you know the vibes? Look, we finna go crazy. Alright, let's see what we got on. Alright. You know what I'm saying? Alright. I forget, it's the same way like last time, right? Alright, cool. Damn. I don't know how to rate them. They all good. Alright, cool. Let me stop. Let me stop the best one. Alright, you stand. Look. Switch. Yup. There you go. I like how we got it over here. Yup, that's it.
Tefan the Don, Tephan, Thedon. Boom. This was your good looking one? And this the, okay. You to the front. You move up. You move that way. Boom, we kept it simple. There we go. That's the ugly one. That's the good looking one.
All right, what's good, y'all? It's Casey the Entertainer, man, today. Hey, we finna get this month started. Hey, you gotta come take a walk with me. Right there. You said what? Dang, the cameraman said, oh, yeah, come on. My fault. All right, come on. We finna take a walk. No, I'm playing. To the side. All right. Hey, y'all two switch. What y'all think my lineup is? Hey, honestly, I did it backwards though. So really, that's my most attractive. That's my least attractive. Hey, but yeah, this is my lineup right here, y'all.
What is up, y'all, man? This your boy DTO Frenzo. Let's see. Ooh. Y'all slide all the way to the front. Oh, shit. I'm sorry. I ain't know. My fault. Right here. Nice shit.
Yeah, that was good.
You know how to slide to the front. Slide to the front.
Yeah, you back where I started.
It's perfect. Tight.
Alright, it's my turn. Alright.
I know.
Alright, you come right here. The second spot right here. Right there. Okay. Okay. You come right here. Right here. Okay. Yeah, that's me right there. I don't know. What y'all think? That's Cap? What's Cap about it? What's wrong with that? That was good. I think I did that shit.